Good morning and Assalamu alaikum to the students of level 6. This is me, Miss Subia from Falcon House Grammar School Campus 9. Welcome to the e-learning the students of level 6. The chapter which we have done was advertisement. Now we are starting the new chapter, that is brochures. A brochure is a leaflet that provides information about a particular topic. Effective brochures are informative and help to create interest in their subject. Look at the following brochure. Can you identify the subject? And this is the format of making the brochures. Brochures come in different styles and shapes and sizes. Whether a brochure is formal or informal depends on the subject of the brochure. Like advertisement, the purpose of brochure is to draw our attention to a particular subject or service. However, brochures need necessary to sell a product. They may also use to inform us about informative and important issues and the events. For example, you can find brochures at hotels, tourist spots, government offices, shopping centers, waiting room of the clinics and the hospitals. And you can also use brochures as a resource for your class discussion. Brochures have the features. A title means a heading. Proper heading is very important. Informative heading for different sections. Sections that provide information and facts about the subject. Attractive illustration, photographs, drawings and charts. A range of different tenses. Simple and direct language. That is on page number 176 and page number 177 of your textbook. Headings are very necessary in a brochure. Headings are a common feature of brochure. They help to guide readers to a text by telling what to expect. Identify the theme of each section of the brochure. Now write down the following questions and answer the following questions in your exercise books. The first question is that what would attract you to read a brochure? What are the features of brochures? The features of brochures you have to remember it very carefully. Brochures features are given on page number 177. Page number 177. The next topic is adjectival phrases. In Unit 6, we have learned that an adjective is a word that tells you more about a noun. Similarly, adjective phrase is a phrase that tells you more about a noun. Adjective phrase always come immediately after the noun they describe. For example, the man with the red bag is my uncle. The man is the noun, with the red bag is the identification, and the describing the noun, that is the man. The man with the red bag is my uncle. I felt sorry for the animals caught in the net. Caught in the net is the adjective phrases and animal is the noun. The lady with the red dress is my friend. The lady is the noun, with the red dress is the adjectival phrases. Now you have to underline adjectives in the following blanks. Number 1. The lady wore a bright silver necklace. The lady is the noun. You have to write the noun and you have to underline adjective phrase, and you can write under it. You have to write under it, okay? Please copy down all these 6 sentences. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to note down all these blanks and underline the noun and the adjective phrases in the exercise books. Thank you.